Hello everyone, myself Shobit from Rohtak, Haryana. Currently, I am pursuing BCom Honors from Shri Ram College of Commerce and also Chartered Accountancy course. Today I am very happy because today I completed my this investment banking internship which lasts for 2 months, and my experience of this internship was very amazing, and I also grateful to Mr. Shetty sir who helped me a lot in this internship. This video is about my internship project which I prepared on the basis of this past 2-month internship. First of all, I will tell you about something in inSAKE solution. So basically, inSAKE solution is a business consultancy and service firm which provide training to various students who are placed in very big companies. It was founded in 2000 by Mr. Sandeep Shetty sir, and they trained thousands of students till now and make their career bright. Now we will move on to my internship certainly. In this internship of investment banking, I have learned so many topics which is necessary for a finance candidate to get a good placement. I understand each and every topic of the finance industry. I covered topics from various domains such as ratio analysis, investment banking, understanding financial statement of the company, and financial modeling, equity research report, private report, industry report, and many more. I completed various modules about different topics from which I able to understand various topics which I never get before. Now we look on to internship findings. I have concluded this internship by preparing 3 projects. First, fundamental and technical analysis of 10 stocks. The next is financial modeling of 5 companies, and the last is 8 private equity report and merger and acquisition reports of various companies. Now in last, I have reached the conclusion that I have found this internship very interesting and I enjoy each and every moment while doing this internship. I found so much of fun while doing module, and in last, I will be very grateful to Mr. Shetty sir who given me this opportunity to work with them. Thank you inSAKE solution, and thank you Sandeep Shetty sir.